is Thursday, day 4 of week 2, term 5. Sticking with our problem solving with money, I hope you're enjoying the activities you've been doing this week. And we've got another exciting one for you today. Just before we start, I wanted just to remind you that on the website we have also got the daily maths workouts. So they are like the maths meetings that we do in school, and last term I popped a video onto the website of me explaining what they were about, so you can rewatch that video if you haven't been doing them. And there's also a video link that you can watch, or parents can watch, to explain them a little bit more. Well done if you have been doing them, but if you haven't, there's another thing that you can do just to keep your mental maths ticking over whilst we're not in school. They should only take about 10 to 15 minutes a day for each workout, and the answers are also all there so you can mark your own. Okay, so keep going with those, or have a go at those if you haven't already. So today we have got an enrich problem for you to solve, and it is called the puzzling sweet shop. Okay, you will find on this webpage, as usual, next to this video, a sheet outlining your actual problem. And on your sheet today, it does actually tell you how much the sweets in your shop are going to cost, and it gives you some questions to work through and answer. So you'll be doing that in a moment by yourself, but I'm just going to talk you through a couple of examples with my own sweet shop. Okay, and our LO today is I can solve a problem involving money. It's all about problem solving and answering those questions. So, first of all, let me show you my sweet shop. Welcome to my puzzling sweet shop. I am selling chocolate bars for 10 pence, lollipops for 3 pence, buttons for 5 pence, and fruit chews for 2 pence. Similar to what's on your sheet, but not quite the same. So we're going to think, first of all, if somebody came into my shop and they wanted to spend exactly 20 pence, what could they buy? Okay, so you might be able to see already they could buy one of each of my items, because 10 pence add 5 pence is 15 pence. Add your 3 pence for your lollipop, just here, 18 pence, and add 2 pence for your fruit chews, 20 pence. So they could actually buy one of each item. Okay, what about if they wanted to only buy one type of sweet? What could they buy if they only wanted to buy one type of sweet, but they wanted to spend 20 pence? They could spend 20 pence on 2 chocolate bars, couldn't they? 2 tens are 20. How about chocolate buttons? How many packs of buttons could they buy for 20 pence? So we need to do 20 divided by 5, don't we? How many 5s are in 20? That's right, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 4 5s are 20. How about the fruit chews? How many 2s? They're 2 pence each. How many 2s are in 20 pence? 10. Excellent. So 10 2s are 20. 10 times 2, 20 pence. What about the lollipops? Could they buy, how many lollipops could they buy for 20 pence? They could buy 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So they could buy 6. They couldn't buy 7, could they? Because that would be 21 pence. So they could buy 6 and they could get 2 pence change. Okay, so just experimenting really with what you can buy with 20 pence. On your sheet, you're going to be thinking about what you can buy with 10 pence to start with. Okay, so we're just going to stop and then have a little look at your sheet a little more closely. So, referring back to your sheet, okay, the first question says, Rosie went into the sweet shop with 10 pence to spend. Tells you what there is. What could she buy if she wanted to spend all of her money? So similar to what we've just been doing there, add together the amounts of sweets. What are the different combinations that she could buy? There's more than one right answer with her 10 pence. Try and be systematic like we were earlier in the week. Try and do it in an order to help you. The next question says that Alice, James, Katie and Henry went into the shop too, and they had 20 pence to spend. So similar to what we just did there with 20 pence. So have a look at that one. Alice bought at least one of each kind of sweet. Which one did she have 2 of? So if she spent 20 pence and she had one of each, she also had 2 of one of them. Try and work that out. So you've got lots of problems on this sheet to solve. Okay, we're not going to go through all of them. You can have a little look and answer as many as you can. I have put an extension on there, a challenge, okay, which says perhaps you could set up your own sweet shop and you could write your own problems. Okay, so like we did the other day, set up a little shop. It doesn't have to be sweets, it could be a fruit shop, a vegetable shop, it could be a bakery, whatever you've got things in your house. You could use pretend food, or it could be a toy shop. Set up your own shop again and write your own problems. So what if somebody had a certain amount to spend? What could they buy? If they bought 2 of everything, how much would that cost? So just write your own problems, and maybe someone in your house could have a go at solving them, or you could email them to your class teacher and we'll put them on the website, and children in your class can maybe have a go at answering your questions. Okay? As I said on the other day, this is a rather mental strategy kind of task, so you don't necessarily need to be using column addition. You need to be thinking about your number bonds, you need to be thinking about your times tables, okay? So counting in 5s or 2s or 3s or whatever will help you, and using the inverse. Think about division, so how many 2s will fit into 20 pence, how many can they buy? 20 divided by 2 will help you solve that kind of problem, okay? And use your times tables there to help you as well. So lots for you to do today, lots of problem solving. Hopefully you'll enjoy it, and I will see you tomorrow.